6 minutes played, 0-0. Shaqiri collects a diagonal ball, goes infield to Matip. Robertson is on the outside of him on this near side. Matip though with a diagonal ball. Mane has popped up on the right, actually gets there. Mane nicks it inside. Henderson into the penalty area. Henderson on the follow-up. Origi, the flag stays down, and Liverpool have made the perfect start inside 7 minutes. That's the early goal they wanted. They lead by a goal to nil. It's Origi.
What a start for Liverpool. If you thought this place was rocking beforehand, listen to it now. A crossfield ball from Fabinho, who then finds Henderson in there. Thought he'd fluffed the chance. Keeper makes a good save. Origi tucks it into the back of the net. They're going crazy.
It will be checked as a matter of course by VAR. But the goal stands. And Liverpool have the start that they wanted. Divock Origi, they're on the attack again. Milner to Mane. You think...
But that was brilliant play from Mane, you know, because he read the poor header from Alvarez.
Mane in a central position, out to Alexander-Arnold, heads it forward, but Henderson had vacated that space. Alexander-Arnold wins the ball back. Cross takes a deflection into the penalty area. Wijnaldum! Wijnaldum arriving, sweeps the ball in. Liverpool have a second goal, and all of a sudden the comeback is on. Life has really got interesting now inside Anfield. Liverpool 2, Barcelona 0.
Well, we mentioned the strength of Alexander-Arnold down the right-hand side. He looks up, he picks his head up in that wide position. There's no one in there, so he drags the ball forward into the 5-yards, then picks out Wijnaldum in the box. He does pick him out on that penalty spot. What a finish! Wijnaldum, he's made such a massive impact in this game, second half.
Do you believe? Inside Anfield, everybody wearing red and white believes. The scarves now are being swirled around their heads because they lead by 2-0, and we are only in the 9th minute of the second half.
Such clever play from Alexander-Arnold, because he picks there's no one in there, so he can't put it in there, and he waits again until someone's there, until he can pick them out, and that's someone, Wijnaldum, running in there, back of the net.
As a matter of course, it will be checked by VAR. That is why we are yet to restart. Cüneyt Çakır, who by the way was the referee when Manchester City played Tottenham.